For complex customer parts, machining is not only about cutting, but also about process planning. This workpiece is machined on the SZGH-46J CNC lathe. According to the customer's workpiece requirement, a customized fixture is used for stable clamping and positioning. The machining process includes front-side machining and reverse-side machining to complete different part features. According to the customer's machining requirement, a 7-shaped grooving tool is used for internal groove machining. Internal threading is then completed inside the workpiece bore. With C-axis positioning, the machine supports specific angle control during the machining process. After machining, the finished part shows a clear inner bore, groove structure, threaded feature, and clean surface finish. For manufacturers with different workpiece requirements, SZGH can provide CNC machine tools, customized fixtures, and practical machining solutions. Contact SZGH for CNC machine tools and customized machining solutions.